Welcome to DS Learning Hub. Lesson 1, Finance as the Foundation of Civilization. Ferguson shows that finance isn't just background, it's the structure behind society. Trade, cities, and empires thrived on the back of money, debt, and credit. Welcome to DS Learning Hub. Lesson 2, The Evolution of Money, from clay to credit cards. Money evolved from barter to coins to digital forms. But its value comes not from substance, but from shared belief. Lose that, and the system fails. Welcome to DS Learning Hub. Lesson 3, The Birth of Banking, Trust as a Business. Banks started as safe places for deposits and evolved into powerful engines of lending. Ferguson reminds us, banking runs on trust. When that trust breaks, chaos follows. Welcome to DS Learning Hub. Lesson 4, The Rise of Bonds, Financing States and Wars. Bonds let governments borrow to build empires and fight wars. Nations with strong bond markets could fund power, those without fell behind. Welcome to DS Learning Hub. Lesson 5, The Power of Stocks, Sharing Risk and Reward. Stocks allowed ordinary people to invest in big ventures. While they fueled innovation, they also opened the door to bubbles and crashes. Welcome to DS Learning Hub. Lesson 6, The Real Estate Obsession, From Shelter to Speculation. Homes became investments, not just shelters. Easy credit led to inflated prices, and when the bubble burst in 2008, the damage was massive. Welcome to DS Learning Hub. Lesson 7, Financial Bubbles, The Madness of Crowds. From tulips to tech, financial bubbles start with excitement and end in collapse. Ferguson shows how irrational crowds can create real economic pain. Welcome to DS Learning Hub. Lesson 8, The Insurance Principle, Managing Risk Before It Happens. Insurance helps people manage uncertainty by pooling risk. It's a quiet but crucial part of financial stability. Welcome to DS Learning Hub. Lesson 9, The Empire of Rothschild, Finance as Global Power. The Rothschilds used finance, not force, to shape Europe. Their network, speed, and secrecy made them a quiet superpower in the 19th century. Welcome to DS Learning Hub. Lesson 10, Financial Imperialism, Credit and Conquest. Ferguson explains how empires used debt to control colonies, loaning money for infrastructure, then using that debt to dominate. Welcome to DS Learning Hub. Lesson 11, The Great Depression, When Finance Breaks Society. The 1929 crash turned into a global disaster due to policy mistakes and bank failures. Ferguson shows how economic collapse fuels political upheaval. Welcome to DS Learning Hub. Lesson 12, The Dollar, America's Financial Empire. After World War II, the U.S. dollar became the global standard. America's stability and strength made its currency the backbone of modern finance. Welcome to DS Learning Hub. Lesson 13, The End of Gold, the Fiat Era begins. In 1971, Nixon ended the gold standard. From then on, money was backed only by trust, giving governments flexibility, but also inviting inflation and risk. Welcome to DS Learning Hub. Lesson 14, The 2008 Crisis, Global Finance on the Brink. Complex financial products, risky lending, and weak oversight led to a meltdown. Ferguson calls it the cost of forgetting hard financial lessons. Welcome to DS Learning Hub. Lesson 15, Chimerica, The Uneasy Symbiosis of China and America. China saves and lends, the U.S. borrows and spends. This imbalance drove globalization, but also built systemic risk and rising tension.